We'll guide you through how to sell clothes in Roblox Mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Selling clothes is a great way of going and earning Robux because you can go and get Robux in return, and then you can go and use what you want to with the Robux. We're going to guide you through what you need to know and what you need to do to go about this. Make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss something important. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So you can see currently we're in the Roblox app right now and we're signed in. What you can then do is go to the bottom right of Roblox and go and press on the More button like this. Now what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down and find the option for Create. This will then go and pop up like so. And as you can see, we're now on the Roblox Create page. So what you want to do is you need to go and head to the top left. There you can go and press on the three lines like so. And you're going to go and see a list of options. You need to go down to the second option, which is creations, and you can go and tap there like so. Now what you need to do is go to the top and you can go and find the option for avatar items like so. Let me close that. Now you can go and scroll along at the top and we're going to come to classics. Now there are different types. You can go and press on filters to the right of that. And you've got classic t-shirts, classic shirts, and classic pants. So if you're yet to go and have a piece of clothing on Roblox, t-shirts is the easiest because what you can do is go and upload an image that you then want to go and sell. But if you're using shirts or pants, you need to go and have a template which is completed. We have got guides on how that can be done, but it is going to be easier doing it with a t-shirt if you're yet to go and do this. So what we're going to do here is go and tap on classic t-shirts like so. Then what you can do is go and press upload asset and make sure t-shirt selected at the top, and you can then press upload and you can choose where the photo is you want to use with. I'm going to open the photo library and select the GuideRealm icon and press to tick. Of course, you may go and have a different one. You can then go and add in a description and you can go and scroll down. It is going to cost you 10 Robux to go and upload it. So if you're sure, press that there. Make sure it's the image you want because of course it's costing you 10 Robux. So if you're sure, go and confirm the decision. If you're sure, tap on it to go and confirm the decision, and there it is. Now, if we go and come back to classic t-shirts and scroll down, we can go and see it there. It may go and take a moment to go and load as it just goes and is checked. Now, at the moment, you can see this off sale and we want to go and sell it. So you want to go and tap on it and tap it again. Make sure it's on sale at the top. Scroll down. Now we need to go and set up the pricing. So you can go and see the current price for it is 5 Robux. This is the minimum price. But what you can do is go and enter in the price you want it to be. So let's say you wanted it to be 25. I'd go and type in 20 here. Then 20 plus 5 is 25, as you can see. You can enter in the price you do not want it to go below. So let's say it was 15 for me, or you could go and make it the same, which is 25, but enter in what you want. Choose if you want regional pricing. This allows Roblox to set region-specific pricing for avatar items, making them more attractive for users worldwide. What you can then do is go and have Seller Marketplace switched on for sell location and revenue. So it appears there, you can see the share. You can have it in selling experiences. You get slightly less share there. And then if you're sure you want to publish it, you can see the Publish Advanced, which is going to cost 10 Robux. You're also going to need to have Roblox Premium 1000 to go and publish items as well. So you need to go and subscribe to that. It's a subscription to Roblox you pay for every month. If you're sure, press Publish and press Pay and Publish. That's it. Now it's going to be on sale, and so when somebody buys it, you're going to receive Robux. Just remember, it's going to go and be pending before it goes and is then released to your balance.